seen the growth and how I move different. Yeah, turn a nigga up, he grinding. Trying to find his place in this piece, that's why.
First start of the day. What's the deal, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. I'm gonna roll the windows down a little bit so y'all can hear the car a little bit. We gonna do some regular mode pulls for now. You know what I'm saying? Just on some chill shit. You know, it's a nice day outside. Just trying to get some content in. Nice little POV drive, you feel me? Just on some chill shit. This is my 2013. I'm gonna make this like a review type of video. You know what I'm saying? This is my 2013 Chrysler 300C. You know what I'm saying? I did the cluster swap, but I do gotta get the Z Automotive Taser so I could have full functionality. The only thing that worked is the fucking cruise control. But I'm gonna put it in sport and I'm gonna change it to that screen right there. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get it some good air. Definitely can feel the difference though. I'm gonna make a left turn right here. Street. Get a little that's just a little bit. I'm trying to get like the best angle. I want y'all to see like what I can see type shit. Is this a stop sign right here? Yes, it is. But I think this might be a dead end down here. Oh shit. But like I said, everybody can't really afford a Hellcat or a Scat Pack. So if you're looking for something that got a decent amount of power, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let me make a U-turn because it's for sure a dead end. For something that make a decent amount of power and you feel me, you want to daily drive it, you want a reliable commuting, you know what I'm saying, car, then 300C with the 5.7 Hemi, not a bad option. Not a bad option at all. I honestly haven't had no issues with no major issues with this car since I got it, and I got it with 100,000 miles exactly, and I have no major issues, just basic things. Just make sure you just keep your fluids and everything changed, and yeah, it's pretty much solid. The ride smooth like butter, you feel me? Somebody running across the street like, what the fuck? Oh yeah. The torque is definitely there. I will tell you that. I do gotta figure out what that noise is like on the back left tire that I got. I do need to figure out what the fuck that noise is. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I definitely gotta figure out what the fuck that is. I'm gonna do a couple of little revs. The AC, climate, everything works beautiful in this car. You know what I'm saying? Works really beautiful. Giving like a overall review. It's a pretty nice car, man. You know, I need to get that Z Automotive Taser because once I could have full functionality with this cluster, it's gonna look so much better. Like seeing your speedometer, being able to change the screen will look so much better. But that's why I got it on this screen right here. Like I said, this is the 2013 and I got the SRT pages. So yeah, it's a pretty fun car, man. I love this car. It's not the newest car, it's not the fastest car, it's not the best car, it's not the most luxury car, even though it do got heated and cooled cup holders, is luxury enough. But for the price point for this car to be between about $8,000 to $10,000, you know what I'm saying, this is not a bad car at all. Like, you know what I'm saying, this is not a bad option. I'm gonna give you a little pull right here. This is not a bad option at all whatsoever, unless you want to get a shit box like that. Oh, you can't really see it, but and yes, I do have tints because I don't want people seeing me. But let me roll the windows up, cut this down a little bit, just so I could show y'all like the type of insulation that this car can actually have though. Like, you know what I'm saying? That was a nice pull. That was a nice pull. I ain't gonna lie, that felt good right there. 5-speed transmission. Obviously, I ain't got the 8-speed, like the newer 5.7s. But hey, don't sleep on this 5-speed, man. It whole gear is very long, but it still got very good low end torque. And yeah, it just like long term, like in the long end, you know what I'm saying? Like that's when that 8-speed really gonna dog the 5-speed. But like off of the launch, you know what I'm saying? It's not really gonna really make a big difference off the launch. But after a while, it'll hawk it down though with them extra gears. But I mean, everything feels good with this car, honestly. The only thing I could say I don't like sometimes is the drone. But I mean, once you just let off, you know what I'm saying, the gas, you really can't really hear it too much. You just gotta let off a little bit. And what the hell is he doing? He is tripping. You know, so yeah, man. So far, so good, man. I love this car. This car is pretty good. It got kick to it whenever you want it to go. RT.
Tryna be a stand-up nigga, standing on my business. Back door, I get this money with my guys. Yeah, these niggas all jealous, hit the net, they all type. I ain't planning on responding, you niggas is all hype. Humble nigga and they hate it, I ain't flashing, but I got it. Man, these niggas fucked up, ain't got no money in they pockets. Got a vision, gotta turn my family up, get out the trenches. It's a blessing and a curse that we still here. So many of us coded out, but we in that system. And my people tried to make it, they ain't tryna hear it. Uncle Andy said the shit, they ain't listen, but I heard it. Leader of my generation, this shit crazy, but I heard it. Sitting back up in the cut, thinking damn why we heard it. Celebrating pointless shit, we just eating, getting older. Every day that go by, a nigga blink, we getting broker. Making dumb decisions like buying no cars and spending money. Get a rental, run it up, don't be no dummy, man, deduct. Hey, yeah, hey, that's what I mean when you a smart nigga. Run it up, stay out the way, you getting all the figures. And when they ask you where you been, tell them getting rich. Everybody Everybody seen the growth and how I move different. Yeah, turn a nigga up, he grinding. Tryna find his place in this piece, that's why we thriving. These niggas on a mission tryna find it. Disassociating from the niggas, that's dishonest, that's the only way we ride. Ay, big motor, this a Hemi 392. Spin it down, the nigga block the tire scripture too. Had to get up out the way and let the bosses move. You know we always have emotion even if we losing. I wonder what the risk do. Spin a